I bet a lot of you are wondering, what's so great about Pushnami? There's other push providers out there, right? Why should I go with you all? Not only do we offer web-based push notifications, we offer iOS and Android app-based push notifications. So if you do have an app on the iOS or Android app store, we can help support your push strategy as well. If you're looking to maybe make a transition to doing some more email stuff, we have an opportunity to get you started with our email platform as well. All of this is all backed by Pushnami's machine learning powered automation and optimization. More than happy to speak with you all a little bit more about that. Maybe I can get you on a call with one of our salespeople so you can discuss exactly how our machine learning system works and how it can benefit your strategy. And ultimately, we offer a few different styles of managed platform or agency style managed approaches as well. So let's say that you don't have a ton of capacity to add push to your marketing stack. We have managed options available for you where the Pushnami team of experts will go in and optimize everything on your behalf so that you never have to be the one using our dashboard or using our strategy if you don't want to, and we just send you reports and let you know how the progress is going. So all of these are options that we'd love you to take advantage of. And as a special thank you for joining our webinar today, if you install Pushnami through our Shopify app and take advantage of our special launch pricing, you'll be able to take advantage of a 90-day free trial. So, say that you install Pushnami into your Shopify store, you're able to use it free totally for 90 days. You're able to see the benefits of push in live time for your store. And ultimately, at the end of that 90-day free trial, if it's not a good fit for you and your strategy, no problem. We're not going to require that you provide your credit card or anything like that. No problem whatsoever. But I think it's worth a shot. I think that this is something that we've seen a lot of success with our e-commerce clients, and we'd love you to join the Pushnami family. So a little bit more about why we stand out in comparison to our competition. As you can see on the right here, we are one of the leaders in terms of push platforms for marketers. We're installed in over 9,923 sites there, but we power more than 20,000 global sites using browser-based push notifications. We're built with marketers in mind, making us the best push platform to implement, use, and ultimately generate ROI from. So if you're a marketer like me, you're not a developer, you're not really sure how to work with scripts and install code and set up complicated strings, Pushnami is a really great solution for you. And I hope that you consider us. We work with a lot of great clients. Leveler Up, like I just mentioned, Newsweek is another great client of ours, Tony Robbins, and a handful of other great e-commerce companies as well. So that concludes the webinar for today. I hope that you all, like I said, if there's just one thing that you took away from this conversation, I hope it makes you a better marketer. I hope that you take advantage of this as a great e-commerce marketing channel. You're more than welcome to reach out to me personally or anyone on the Pushnami team. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, we'd love to have a conversation with you. I encourage you all to set up a demo to learn a little bit more about Push and how Pushnami can help impact your e-commerce store. So thank you all for joining. I hope that you all are staying safe. I hope that you are all finding happiness and success with your e-commerce endeavors. And I hope that we can be a small part of that. So thanks again, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you in the next webinar.